to the DDLive modules. Now, once you have subscribed to DDLive through Digital Door, you will be given your company login. Now, the company login will be cloud. Your company name and your URL, .com or .com.au, etc. These are the major modules the DDLive platform offers currently, and there are a couple of new modules in the works and getting added, so this video will not be all-encompassing. Customers is basically where you administer anything for your customers. So it's registering a customer, it is putting in details of delivery, looking up invoices, looking up orders, etc. So just what you would expect customers to be. LMS is logistic management software. That's where we set up all our delivery options and our courier and freight partners. This is where you can actually link everything back to a postcode and suburb, so that if somebody is sending to a postcode and suburb, it will list all the couriers that can go there and give them all the pricing and even tell them what time to expect their delivery. Tracking is the tracking module for our delivery app. So if you've got vans or trucks that do in-house deliveries, you can actually set all your drivers up with this on their telephone mobile, which means that they can actually interact with the data and even advise once things have been delivered, and your customers can see that. Marketing is where you trigger email blasts and SMS blasts, and also where you administer things like the footer on the web shop module if you have that included in your subscription. Warehouse is where you manage everything in the warehouse, so anything to do with stock, current stock list, which is what you've got for sale, inventory is anything that you've got available to possibly buy in, and then once you buy it in, it comes onto your stock list, and the stock list is what's available to sell to your clients. It's also where you receive in stock when it arrives into your warehouse. It's where you would price your stock. It's where you take photos and add that to your stock, etc. So anything to do in the warehouse also is done through here. Supplier module is for the suppliers and growers, and this is actually where they can lodge their incoming invoices online. So if you have growers that can use a computer, they can actually lodge their incoming stock to you through the supplier module. Packing is exactly that, how you manage all of your orders. So in the packing app, it manages the orders to be packed for today, tomorrow, etc. It also then manages the couriers and dispatch process, so that if somebody comes to pick up from you, you can scan the barcode and it will actually tell you how many items you're supposed to be giving this courier for this customer, etc. So packing is a great app to use. And then of course support, if you've subscribed to support, this is where you gain support from DDLive. Now in the middle here, where it's got the DDLive logo, this is where our next module that's just about to come off the development line, and that is the POS, the point of sale system, which you'll see pop up here at some stage. So if you've got a section that sells to people, we will soon be offering a POS system. They're the modules for the DDLive platform. They all interlink, so obviously you can't have full courier tracking with down to the postcode if you don't have logistics management software module, and you can't track it without the tracking module.